ride with me. Thanks for visiting. Thanks for coming. I know you didn't have to. If you will, tap that subscribe, hit the ringy-dingy bell, and like, and I will subscribe to you back. As always, no makeup here. It's my husband, James. So I finally talked him into doing a video with me, just this vlog. So we're going to GameStop, and we're going to, my son made a Christmas wish list, and we're going to see if we can pick up some items from there. We have a coupon. What's the coupon? Buy two, get one free? Buy two, get one free. GameStop. Because that's what he loves. So
we already have much money to spend there. We already have some free shit and stuff.
We're going to vlog it up.
Vlogging with some eggnog.
Ooh. Yeah, we'll turn that back off. So we're going to GameStop first, and I'll see you soon. Oh, this is my favorite Christmas song. It's a good song. I don't know why I like it so much. It's a good song. So I'll get to listen to it for a minute. Detour.
What do you want?
Starbucks Detour. I want a white chocolate mocha.
Hi, welcome to your Lincoln Starbucks. My name is Lena. What can I get started for you?
I want a white chocolate mocha.
Medium.
Medium.
Told you guys.
McDonald's Day white chocolate mocha. Anything else?
Yes, and a vanilla bean. A grande vanilla bean frappuccino with no whip. 2 cake pops, please.
Of course. We have, which kind of cake pop do you want? We have birthday, chocolate, cookie dough, peppermint brownie.
Birthday.
Any of those?
Birthday cake.
Did you say you wanted 2 of those?
Yes, please.
Okay. Anything else?
That's it.
This is why we don't go to bar. Starbucks is expensive. What is that? Seriously?
My bad.
Have you been driving with that on the whole time?
No, I just did it when I pulled up there.
Why?
It ain't been beeping the whole time, has it?
Starbucks.
Like I'm loco?
Well, where's the window?
I do not know. What is that, a tip jar?
I can't. Is that a tip jar for real?
I don't know.
That's like the ghettoest little tip jar I've ever seen in my life.
And this place open up for me this week.
Cake pops. Hey, but you're putting it in there, and we're fixing to put the drinks in there.
I'm gonna put the drinks out of my lips, in my mouth.
Are you gonna eat it one bite?
The grande white mocha.
Thank you.
You said no.
I want one
How's
bite.
that? That's like a bite and a half.
Frappuccino with no whip.
Thank
you.
you.
You're supposed to hold it for me. I was surprised we had that many people there.
You bit half the damn cake pop, and then you
I should have handed it back to her and said,
someone ate it?
yeah, somebody ate some of the shit. Give me a new one. Damn things like $2 a piece.
Why don't you just put it here?
Don't flag around. I'm going back around to the light. I ain't messing with all them folks at McDonald's and shit.
Okay. Here's your cake pop.
You want yellow?
Don't know.
Yeah.
Watch out.
Baby, I seen you.
Put the drink in the thing
Yes, ma'am.
and drive. So
I'm too busy trying to eat my pop.
I feel that, but you already ate like 3/4 of it in one bite.
Trying to beg.
That's what she said. Did you just throw the cake pop stuff out the window?
No.
Yes, you did.
We got some Kroger's now.
No, I mean, it's just, they've just built all this stuff up so fast. I had no idea that any of that stuff was there. And there's like 5 stop signs here.
Really?
I'm just saying, stop cussing so much on the video.
I didn't know I was being videoed. I ain't consent. You consent to video me. Not these idiots around here.
Yeah, these people, there's a non-driving people around here.
Around here.
GameStop trying to like coin laundry. Look, why nails instead of lovely? Because the love part is out. So why nails?
Why?
Why?
Because we love you.
In GameStop. Don't know what anything is. Except like some stuff. Like they have like weird stuff. Like I can't change my camera, but like Stranger Things. Oh look, here's a wallet. Mario knickknacks. That's where we're going.
Mario knickknacks, bruh.
That's what Reese wants. Oh, they got Pokemon ones too. Jigglypuff. He wants Pokemon stuff, and he wants. There's like a whole list of stuff that he wants. That's like he's into plushes. My youngest one's into plushes, so we will get this one, and there's all these plushes too. Buy one get one half off. Is it buy one get one half off on all the plushes?
It's select plushes. I believe it is on the Pokemon one.
Okay. Cool. So yeah, now I gotta look at the list and find out what he wants. So I will be back. Okay, so you guys would never believe how much like those little plushes are. I mean, it is ridiculous, you guys. Me being the bargain shopper that I am, you guys already know that I am trying to find the stuff that's on clearance and kind of match it up with what he wants on his list. It's pretty easy when you don't have like you got a kid who likes to have like all the same stuff. So yeah. So we got that one and this one. These are buy one get one half off too, right?
Yes, I believe so. Let me see. Yes. So you're looking at $33.67.
Okay. 33. Did we get points for this?
Yes, I've entered all your stuff. You're getting points.
Okay, thank you.
You get the case, the controller, and then whatever else next time.
I want to get in. Alright, so there was my transaction.
That's not it.
Is that what you want?
No, that's not it.
This one?
Yes, that is it.
I told you.
Darksiders. I know I call it all Dark Souls.
Let me see. This is what my husband wants. Point of reference for me. So yeah, we've been in the store for like 45 minutes. And
But if you were shopping for clothes, you'd have been there for like an hour and a half.
well, not really clothes, but yeah, makeup probably. So yeah. So like we found, I mean look, there's like a sale paper right here. There's a sale paper here, but my husband won't let me ever look at the sale paper because
I'm the first one to say let's jump on the sale.
no, you're not, because you said if he wants it, then
Yeah, if you want those times, you got to pay.
Yeah.
Everybody's on sale.
My son is obsessed. I'm telling you. Mario, are you sure all these down here?
Where does he get it from?
He doesn't want all these down.
Splatoon.
See, he likes stuff that I've never seen him play.
It's Nintendo stuff. That's what I just bought him. Metroid. He likes all Nintendo stuff. Zelda, Metroid, Mario. They didn't have none in there.
Hold on. I gotta make sure I put my stuff back in here. Okay. Where to next, Captain?
I'm not a captain. I'm like the Men in Black movie. I got a little alien top of my head named Courtney telling me where to go and what to do.
No, I don't. I do not do that. That is not true. Well, I can tell you one thing. I didn't realize that plushes could be so damn expensive. I mean, I know that they cost a lot, but damn. Like, they're like stuffed animals.
Oh,
He loves them.
I know. He just likes to collect things.
He's a collector.
Thanks for coming with me. That was fun. I enjoyed my stuff like that. I enjoyed my spend no time together anymore. Like that. Like going out. Leaving the house. Forgetting now.
I have to work Christmas Eve. Overnight. told you that.
I'm gonna get you, my pretty. Your little dog, too.
That's probably from putting that little nail sticker on that you put on earlier. It's the sparkles, the dazzle nail sticker.
What happens in the bedroom stays in the bedroom.
Quit biting your nails.
I'm trying to get a hang piece off.
Ooh. You can file it down.
What day is Christmas? Thursday? Wednesday? Tuesday?
What?
What day is Christmas?
Christmas Eve is Monday night.
Huh?
Yeah. And then Christmas is Tuesday.
So you ain't off again until
No, that's why I just told you. Jamie, Christmas is Monday night.
Christmas Eve?
Christmas Eve is Monday night. Christmas Day is Tuesday.
So Christmas is Tuesday, is what you're telling me.
Yes.
Okay. Don't unlock doors.
You better watch out. You better not cry. Santa Claus is coming to town.
They told me.
Bum, 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 bum.
I say with a deep voice. Pum.
I can't do that. Me and my drum. Christmas shopping
Peace
vlog.
out.
I'll see you guys later. So, I'm gonna vlog about my crazy neighbors right now. My neighbors like to put all their business out into the world, right? Into the world, all their business, and like it's crazy because like they're out there talking right now, and I can hear every word they're saying. I don't quite understand that. Don't run all my business out there like that. I'm not talking about just one day. I'm talking about like every day. You guys can probably hear it. Thank you for going with me Christmas shopping and being on my vlog.
The vlog was over hours ago.
So goodbye to my people.
Adios.
Look.
Feliz Navidad.
Watch out. Look, so you should get puffed off. But so thank you guys for watching the vlog. It's kind of silly. And yeah. Thank you for being on the vlog.
Anytime.
Anytime, really?
No, not really.
Alright, you guys. Merry Christmas.
Feliz Navidad.
Thank you guys for watching.
Nice, you know.
I'll see you guys on my next video. I love y'all, but I will not argue with you. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, tap and subscribe, hit the ring bell for notifications for all my new videos. Why you got your eyes closed? Open your eyes, Santa.
I want to argue with you.
See you guys later. Bye.